LPIC Utility Inspection video camera is ideal for inspection of relatively longer length pipelines such as drains and sewerage systems of large industries, municipality and large campuses. Due to its features and excellent quality, LPIC video pipe and drain inspection camera system is equally utilized for inspection of buried telecom PLB ducts. Ideal for inspecting pipes of diameter 60 to 300 and can pass through 90-degree bins of pipe diameter 110 mm or higher. LPIC has some key features as follows. 7-inch removable HD color monitor, snapshot, video and audio recording during pipe inspection. IP68 waterproof up to 20 meters, 12 high bright LEDs. Built-in meter counter. Keyboard for data entry. LPIC comes with a self-labeling feature due to which camera does not lose the focus even after pushing and bending to shoot the video forward. To start the application, connect the pipe inspection camera to the 7-inch HD color monitor with the help of connector. Switch on the device. Connect the camera with rolled skid for better stabilization as it keeps the camera into center while inspecting. Set the LED level as per the needed application. 0 to 4 level enabling options. Enabling at level 4 means lighting up 12 LED. Insert the camera into utility and start inspecting. Press the record button, now the device will start recording. To stop recording again, press the record button. To click a snapshot, click on the camera button. Recorded video in snapshot, click on the media button. It has also a delete option to delete media. While recording, one can also put a note as keyboard can be used for data entry. LPIC comes with the following accessories: cable and wheel, 7 inches HD color monitor, roller skid, camera head, remote control, double box wrench, hex wrench, car charger, power supply adapter, screwdriver, and tool bag. Warranty: 1-year warranty against manufacturing defect.